strategic alliance with Motorola Solutions aims to speed adoption of 911 response drones across public safety agencies. BRINC, a US-based drone manufacturer focused on emergency response, has announced $75 million in new funding. The investment will help BRINC grow its team, increase drone production, and develop new technologies. The round was led by Index Ventures, which has backed BRINC in previous fundraising efforts. Motorola Solutions also joined as both an investor and strategic partner. Other notable supporters included Dylan Field, CEO and founder of Figma, and venture capitalist Mike Volpi. Our investment in BRINC represents a deep belief in their transformative vision, said Vlad Loktev, partner at Index Ventures. The company's technology has redefined how public safety agencies handle critical incidents. We're thrilled to continue supporting BRINC's mission to protect human life with public safety technology. New partnership with Motorola Solutions. The funding comes with a new alliance between BRINC and Motorola Solutions. This partnership will integrate BRINC drones with Motorola's suite of public safety tools. These include APX radios, Vesta 911 software, computer-aided dispatch systems, real-time crime center software Command Central Aware, and automatic license plate recognition technology. With these tools working together, first responders will be able to deploy drones more quickly. For example, drones can launch at the press of a button on a police radio, or in response to a sensor alert. The drones can then provide real-time video and data to command centers through Motorola systems. BRINC is a leader in providing innovative, automated drone solutions for public safety agencies, said Raj Naik, Senior Vice President, Strategy and Ventures at Motorola Solutions. We are excited to invest in BRINC, an organization that shares our mission to help protect and save lives, meeting the growing demand. BRINC already serves hundreds of police, fire, and emergency response agencies in the U.S. More than 10% of the nation's SWAT teams use BRINC drones for tactical operations. The additional funding will allow the company to meet rising demand for drones that can help de-escalate dangerous situations and improve situational awareness. We will continue building world-class emergency response drones and scale our team to meet the growing demand for life-saving technologies, said Blake Resnick, founder and CEO of BRINC. We couldn't be more excited for the future. About BRINC, founded in the U.S., BRINC develops drone technologies to support public safety. The company builds and manufactures its products domestically, maintaining full control of its supply chain through vertical integration. BRINC's connected ecosystem is designed to save lives by enhancing how emergency services respond to critical incidents. The company's drones are already used by more than 600 public safety agencies nationwide.